Umatri rambak kejelau kondak sangma oleh dayo menteri kampung iong jang kejelau ubak Lahkmen Rymbui. Halo kejing dawa juga seng BJP bat kui dek parti pynhiar shuki namar jingjia hapo Mukroh. Laban kedawang ni bau General Secretary juga seng BJP bona selong lo dawa bau ubak Lahkmen Rymbui udia pynhiar shuki namar jingjia hapo Mukroh. Dia kondak sama ulo ong ba kadi kabli kapol bandawa hiar shuki ni kadi kapol banjar trailang nak kata berapa sesinya kesuk kesanya kejelang.
Political parties may demand, but I personally feel that this is not a time to put political blame games on anybody, or even try to look at having political mileage out of this situation. This is a very serious situation, and situation which was really unprovoked, unexpected. So many steps have been taken by the government to do so many things to normalize the situation. And hence, in a situation like this, we need to all come together and work together as citizens of the state, as leaders. And I think we need to leave the political mindset and the political aspects behind us and really work together as leaders of the state to bring back normalcy and to ensure that we are able to improve the overall situation, and also make sure that decisions like these, like the BOPs and other measures, are taken for the state as a whole to avoid any kind of situation like this in the future.